Hi there, this is Sherry Higdon, and I wanted to give you a quick message this morning by video. Over the weekend, I had so many of you who decided to become pre-enrollees with Brain Abundance. I couldn't possibly get a hold of everybody by phone. So if I haven't given you a call yet, it's only because I had so many people that wanted to check this out and become a pre-enrollee. I couldn't get to everybody at one time, but I will be giving you a follow-up phone call. But first, I wanted to introduce myself so you would know when you get that phone call who you're talking to. I reside in Louisville, Kentucky. I've been doing business online since 2005 and recently encountered Brain Abundance. More importantly, the product Brain Fuel Plus. This is not just another what can I do to make money from home thing. This is a product that will drastically affect your life and your loved ones. We have people with children with some pretty serious things like ADD, ADHD, depression, bipolar, and adults with those same kind of things that are experiencing such positive effects. Everything from increased sleep, mental clarity, better memory, energy, increased energy. Those are just some of the things that me and my husband have experienced. We've had testimonies of people with pain relief from it. Just the list goes on, and I will be sending you that information via emails and video so that you can learn more about the product. But I highly, highly recommend, even before you take a look at us from a business perspective, that you give this product a try, because I promise you, once you do, you'll quickly become like myself, that when my bottle ran dry, I don't know what I did with my bottle, I was not happy. My husband either. He's like, when can we get some more of this? So that's the first thing. The number one thing is this company has produced a little product that is amazing. And I promise you this, that if your doctor told you that he had a medication he wanted you to take that would increase your sleep, decrease mental fog, increase your mental clarity, it would help you sleep and rest and give you more energy, it would help with things like depression, anxiety, stress, just the list goes on and on. If a physician told you he had that for you, but the catch was your insurance would not pay for it, you would not care. You'd say, give me the prescription, I want it. And that's what you're going to say about this once you try it. You're going to be like, I do not care, I want to have this. And it will also encourage you to build your business and make the referrals so that you can have your product free every month. So I really want to highly encourage you with that first. Second of all, to check us out. If you'll hook up with me on Facebook, the information will be in this email on how to do that. We have a private Facebook group that you can get in and see many, many testimonies that people are sharing on a daily basis as to what this product is doing for them. Lastly, when we get a chance to hook up, if you are interested in moving forward with Brain Abundance and myself as a business opportunity, congratulations, you have landed a very unique place. We have what I call a closed loop system. What I mean by that is, if you have done online business before, you probably were told, oh, we have the greatest systems in the world and all that, and you may have been given a free marketing page or capture page and things like that, but it was still left up to you to drive traffic to that page, find your own people to talk to, and more than likely the first thing you were told was to make a list of friends and family, which I do not encourage unless you absolutely love getting your butt kicked and your teeth kicked in and you love being rejected. I don't recommend you do that. I recommend a source that we have where you can, for a very affordable price, buy into a lead co-op and have pre-enrollees like yourself show up in your email inbox. And those are people who are interested in your company enough to put their name on the line and become pre-enrolled into your company, as you did with me. And the lead source is very, very affordable. So with the low cost that it takes to get your product and become an IBO, and with the lead source that we have, you can literally 30 days from now be generating and start that snowball rolling of increased income. We don't promise mountains of money, I would never do that. You're not going to go from here to $10,000 in 30 days unless you're already a high-tech, hands-on, very prosperous internet marketer. If you have those kind of guns behind you, then yes, you could generate $10,000 a month. Those are mostly the testimonies that companies like to put out there for people who have done that. But that doesn't mean you cannot start to generate income from this business, not only sharing about a product that is effective and affordable, but by using it yourself. And your own productivity and your own life is going to be so much better from taking it that you won't have a problem, like I don't with you, getting on here and doing a video to share it with you. So anyway, I look forward to meeting you in person. We'll get hooked up. In the meantime, all my contact information is in the email below. Let's get hooked up and let's get you running with Brain Abundance. Until next time.